Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads from Apollo into HubSpot using AI enrichment step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Apollo account. Navigate to the leads section on the dashboard. Select the leads you wish to export to HubSpot. Look for the export option within the selected leads. Choose the CSV format for the export. Once the export is complete, download the CSV file to your device. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section in your HubSpot dashboard. Look for the Import button typically located in the upper right corner. Select the option to import from a file. Upload the CSV file you previously downloaded from Apollo. During the upload process, map the columns from your CSV to corresponding fields in HubSpot. Make sure to correctly assign names, emails, and other relevant data. Once your fields are mapped, confirm the import settings. Click the Import button to start the transfer process. After the import completes, check the Contacts section in HubSpot for your newly added leads. To enhance your leads, utilize HubSpot's AI enrichment feature. Navigate to your contacts list in HubSpot. Select the newly imported leads. Locate the enrichment option within the contacts settings. Enable AI enrichment to gather additional data on your leads. Review the enriched data to ensure accuracy. You can now leverage this enriched data for your marketing and sales efforts. Stay organized by tagging or segmenting these leads for future campaigns. Monitor and analyze the effectiveness of your enriched leads regularly. This process will enable a seamless integration between Apollo and HubSpot using AI capabilities. You're now ready to enhance your CRM with enriched lead data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.